Choosing the right project management software is a big decision for any team or business. It's not just about the features. The cost needs to align with your budget and the value you expect to receive. Wrike is a popular platform known for its robust features and flexibility, but understanding its pricing structure can sometimes feel like navigating a maze. As a project management expert, I'm here to simplify things and give you a clear picture of how much Wrike might actually cost your organization in 2025. We'll break down Wrike's different pricing tiers, explore the features included in each, and discuss the factors that can influence the final price you pay. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of Wrike's cost and be better equipped to decide if it's the right fit for your project management needs and budget. Understanding the basics, Wrike's pricing model. Wrike employs a tiered subscription model, meaning they offer different plans with varying features and price points. This allows businesses of different sizes and with different needs to find a plan that suits them. As of April 2025, Wrike offers 5 main pricing additions. Wrike Free. As the name suggests, this is a no-cost plan designed for individuals or small teams just getting started with project management. Wrike Team. This is the entry-level paid plan, aimed at small teams needing more advanced collaboration and project planning features. Wrike Business. This popular plan is designed for teams across an organization that require robust work management with customization and executive reporting. Wrike Enterprise. This plan caters to larger teams needing comprehensive solutions with advanced security and controls. Wrike Pinnacle. This is Wrike's most advanced plan, ideal for larger businesses with complex work needs, robust reporting, digital asset management, and security requirements. It's important to note that the pricing for the paid plans is typically on a per-user, per-month basis, and often billed annually. This means the total cost will depend on the number of users who need access to the platform. Some plans also have a minimum number of users. Diving deeper, features and costs of each plan. Let's take a closer look at each plan, the key features they offer, and their approximate cost as of April 2025. Keep in mind that these prices are subject to change, and it's always best to check Wrike's official pricing page for the most up-to-date information. 1. Wrike Free Getting Started. Cost, $0 per month. Best for individuals and small teams with basic project management needs. Key features: project and task management, board and table views, web, desktop, and mobile apps. Basic integrations, e.g. Google Drive, Dropbox. Limited active tasks. The free plan is a great way to get a feel for Wrike's interface and basic functionalities. It allows for unlimited users, making it suitable for very small teams. However, it has limitations in terms of the number of active tasks and advanced features. 2. Wrike Team, Effective Team Management. Cost: approximately $10 per user per month. Billed annually, minimum of 2 users. Best for small teams, 2 to 15 users, needing full project planning and collaboration features. Key features in addition to free: unlimited projects, tasks and subtasks, unlimited custom fields, unlimited request forms, interactive Gantt charts, automations, limited to 50 actions/user/month, custom workflows, analytics view, calendar and dashboard views, 2 GB storage per user, integrations, e.g. Microsoft Excel, Slack. The team plan offers a significant step up from the free version, providing essential tools for effective team collaboration and project planning. The Gantt charts are particularly valuable for visualizing project timelines and dependencies. 3. Wrike Business, Robust Work Management. Cost: approximately $25 per user per month. Billed annually, minimum of 5 users. Best for teams, 5 to 200 users, requiring robust work management with customization and executive reporting. Key features in addition to team: folder structure and nested projects, cross-tagging, project blueprints, custom item types, automations, increased to 200 actions/user/month, approvals and guest approvals, file and video proofing, 30+ file formats, real-time reports, user groups and permissions, AI risk prediction and work creation. 5 GB storage per user. The business plan unlocks more advanced features crucial for managing multiple complex projects and larger teams. The customization options and reporting capabilities become significantly more powerful at this level. 4. Wrike Enterprise, Advanced Security and Scalability. Cost. Contact Wrike for a custom quote, typically for 5+ users. Best for large teams needing enterprise-grade security, scalability, and advanced administration features. Key features in addition to business. Single sign-on SSO, two-factor authentication, 2FA, password policies, custom access roles, customizable user types, admin permissions, user audit reports, automations, increased to 1,000 actions/user/month, 10 GB storage per user. The enterprise plan focuses on providing the security and control features that large organizations require. The customizability extends to user roles and access, ensuring data security and compliance. 5. Wrike Pinnacle, Advanced Tools and Analytics. Cost. Contact Wrike for a custom quote, typically for 5+ users. Best for teams with complex work needs requiring advanced reporting, digital asset management, and business intelligence tools. Key features in addition to enterprise. Locked spaces, advanced reporting and BI Wrike Analyze, advanced resource and capacity planning, team utilization and performance dashboard, job roles, budgeting and billable hours, bookings, project-level effort and time planning, built-in HTML proofing and approvals. Wrike Data Hub, 10,000 records, QuickBooks and Power BI integrations, 15 GB storage per user. The Pinnacle plan offers the most comprehensive set of features, catering to organizations with sophisticated project management and reporting needs. The advanced analytics and resource management tools provide deep insights into team performance and project finances. Factors influencing the total cost of Wrike. Beyond the per user, per month cost of the chosen plan, several other factors can influence the total cost of your Wrike subscription. Number of users. As mentioned, the more users you need, the higher your overall cost will be. Be sure to accurately assess how many team members will actively use the platform. Billing frequency. While monthly billing might seem more flexible, Wrike often offers discounts for annual subscriptions. Consider your long-term commitment to Wrike when choosing a billing cycle. Minimum user requirements. Some of the paid plans have a minimum number of users you need to pay for, even if your team is smaller. This is important to factor into your budget, especially for smaller teams considering the business, enterprise, or Pinnacle plans. Add-ons and integrations. Wrike offers additional add-ons like Wrike Integrate for advanced integrations, Wrike Lock for enhanced security, and Project Sync. These add-ons come with their own pricing and can increase your overall cost. While Wrike offers many native integrations, some advanced integrations might require these add-ons.